Hey guys, go in front of here. It's me, my new Origami Swiss Army Penguin, designed by Jeremy Shafer. It's just like his $1 Swiss Army Switchblade Army knife. The reason why it says Swiss Army Penguin is because instead of the blade, it is a penguin. Yeah, there it is. This model is really cool and intermediate to fold, in my opinion. Here it is. Just folded from a single sheet. I mean, not a sheet, but single dollar bill. So there it is. I mean, curl the hands. Oh, there it is. And what good use is a Swiss Army Penguin? Well, Jeremy says you can enforce the pecking order. So, there it is. The Swiss Army Penguin. Finally got it after quite a while. There it is. See, here's the head, the beak, the arms, and there's the legs. Just kind of hiding. So yeah, there it is. Swiss Army Penguin, designed by Jeremy Shafer. It's an unpublished design. And here it is. Swiss Army Penguin, and you can just close it off. Here it is. Okay, here it is. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.